Hi, welcome to Tech Shorts. So, have you ever been working on a project and needed something additional to just give it that right final touch? Maybe you needed a picture, or maybe you needed some music to just add some ambience to the sound. Maybe you needed a video to just kind of add a little bit more to what you're working on. Or maybe you want to practice and you need some of these things so that you can um, hone your craft. Well, there is something called Creative Commons that exists out in the internet, and this is a way to work with other people's creations for free with stipulations. But we'll get into that in just a moment. Too often, we just kind of go to the internet and just do a Google search, find what we're looking for, download it, and we don't even care where it came from. The problem is if we are planning to use some of these items for um, projects that we're going to publish or put out into the world, we have to be careful that we are not using somebody's copyrighted material. So what Creative Commons does is allows us to find things that we can use. So in your Google search or whatever search you're using, if you just type in Creative Commons, the first thing that should pop up is creativecommons.org. When we go to this site, it has some information on what Creative Commons is and a lot of things on COVID right now. But when you scroll down a little bit further towards the bottom, this is when you start to get into the different things that are available. So headphones means music, and there are a few different music sites that this will lead you to, where you can download music that people have created, and they've created this music for the purpose of sharing it. Now, when it comes to using something that's considered Creative Commons, you do have to consider what they're allowing you to do with their creation. Not everyone's going to allow the same thing. There will be some restrictions, some that are completely free to use. Um, it all just depends. But looking at this site, you can find pictures. So there's a lot of different photo websites you can go to. If you need video, there's some video websites that you can also go to find video. Now, some of these sites have subscriptions that you have to pay to be able to download stuff, and some are completely free to use. So it's up to you to kind of work your way through and find the right site that's going to work for what you need. You can also just do a search and see if you can find what you're looking for more specifically. So we're going to click the search button up top here. So let's say you need some um, exciting music to play behind a video that you made. So I'm just going to type in exciting music and see what happens here. So we get some pictures of exciting music. You can go through and tell it more specifically what you're looking for. You can also look for particular licenses, and that's what we really need to look at here. Not so much pictures, music, or video, but what each license means. So there are some that you can use freely without pretty much any restriction. There are some that you can use it, but you must give attribution. In other words, you have to say who it was made by and give them credit when you use it. There's some that allow you to make changes to what they created, add on to it, alter it, make it your own. Sometimes they require that you attribute where it started before you do so. Some things allow you to use it completely however you want to. Some say you can't use it to make any money. So whatever it is that you are needing and what you plan to do, you can narrow it down here and choose just whatever you're looking for, so that when you find items like pictures or music that you plan to use, you can then download it, add it to your project, give attribution if you need to give attribution, and then on you go. So keep this in mind next time you're looking for a picture that you need to add to like a flyer or something, or music that you want to add to a video, or video footage that you would like to just add in for effect. Whatever your project is, whatever your needs are, use Creative Commons to find the things that you can use legally and save yourself some trouble. Well, thanks for listening. That's today's Tech Short. Tune in for more.